In this video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to move columns in Microsoft Excel. So here I have some data and I'm going to try and move the A column to a different location. So it's very easy to do that. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this video if you found it helpful. So in order to move the column, all you need to do is to click on the top and hover until you see a hand icon. So I'm just gonna do that. So as you can see, when the cursor changes into a hand icon, that means you can move the column. So I'm just gonna drag that and you're gonna see a green line over the columns indicating the destination of the column. So once you release it, you can see that I've been able to move the column successfully. Another way to do this is to basically just highlight the entire column and then right click, cut, and then go to the destination column and paste the column on there. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.